if you work in construction or any hands-on trade, there is one deduction that you are missing that can save you a lot of dollars in tax. And it is a very common deduction that is missed with blue collar workers and in general with union workers. So you have the right to be able to deduct your union dues and or your professional fees. What does that mean? That means that if you pay any union fees to your company, your employer, and there's a lot of jobs out there that have these union fees, right? If you work for, I don't know, any kind of construction site, anything like that, where safety is of importance, then you will likely be in a union and you will likely be paying union fees from your salary or your hourly pay. That'll be withdrawn. Now, these union fees can be deducted right off your net income for tax purposes. So if let's say you pay $1,000 in union fees a year and your tax bracket is, let's say, 35%, you would then save $350 in the year by claiming that deduction. If, for example, you've missed the last 5 years, you would save at least easily $1,500 by going back and changing it. Okay. So what's very common is that there are a lot of people that don't actually know that they can deduct these union fees, these professional dues, and because of that, they are penalized by paying more taxes. So don't be one of those people that end up paying more than they have to when you are allowed by the government to deduct them. Okay. So that is one deduction that is missed all the time, and I don't want you to miss it when you're filing your 2025 tax return. And if you did miss it in the past, you can go into your CRA account and change your previous completed returns to include this deduction and just have that money be sent back to you. You can see here from the website, from the CRA website, the union dues, professional or like dues from line 21,200 and what is allowed to be deducted. So we're going to go through it real quick. Annual dues for membership in a trade union or association, professional board dues required under provincial or territorial law, professional or malpractice liability insurance, or professional membership dues required to keep professional status recognized by law. So this would be your PEng or your CPA dues. Okay, these would be your regular blue collar union dues. Now, if you go down to the bottom, it says when you're completing your tax return, you can claim it on line 21,200 of your tax return. So let's say you were filing using the Wealthsimple software. You would go into your Wealthsimple. Here, there's an example of $100,000 earned on your T4 from the province of BC. In the province of BC, you can see that our amount owing is $20,770. When we're going to input our union dues, we just go in here, we look for annual union dues. This box pops up. We write our description as union dues, and we'll say that our union due amount is $1,000. And you can see now our amount owing went from that $20,700 to this $20,460 with a change of $310. So you have now saved $310 of tax that you would otherwise pay the CRA. If you want more simple, practical tax tips, make sure to subscribe.